Today I bring you the beast, the legend, the iconic C63 W204. If you are a true car enthusiast, this machine needs no introduction, but trust me, I've got some germs for you in this short punchy video, and we're diving deep into something different today. I had a chat with the owner about what it's really like to maintain this powerhouse and some of the challenges that come with owning such a masterpiece. So if you ever dreamed of having one of these masterpieces in your garage, stay tuned. But first, let's clear up the mystery behind the C63 badge. You've probably wondered, why is it called a C63 when it packs a 6.2 engine under the hood? Well, it's a nod to the legendary 300 SEL63, which did have a 6.3-liter engine. AMG kept the spirit alive with this badge, paying homage to the history and engineering legacy behind these incredible cars. Let's talk about the cost of owning a C63 W204. It's not just the engine that's heavy, the maintenance costs are too. Front brakes, 4,000, rear brakes, 3,000. And if you need a front brake disc, it's about 10,000 Rand. A minor service will easily run you between 7,000 to 8,000 Rand, while a major one can hit 20,000 Rand. Tire alignment issues on this beast can wear them out fast, and you're looking at 8,000 Rand to fix parts of the suspension. And don't get me started on the indicators. If they break, 12,000 Rand to replace the entire steering column. Owning a C63 isn't for the faint heart or wallet, but hey, that V8 raw makes it all worth it. So this is how the keys look. They kind of look premium with the brushed metal finish here, and it also has keyless entry. So to start this car, what you do is you press the button here, and one thing unique about this generation is that the handbrake, that's the handbrake right there. That's how you engage the handbrake, and this is how you disengage the handbrake, which you found on this generations of C63. Bro, I think I want this car. Is there bro, the power. Which side are this? Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to know.
It'll just edit my consumption.
And one thing I like about this car is that it won't kill you. It won't kill you like the 140i
Or the M3.
or the oh yeah, or the M3. It's very stable on
stuff.
Yeah, it's very stable on acceleration. I saved it. Good thing I know the dynamics of a car.
That's how you get real world drive.
Aisha went to C63. Aisha went to C63. The gear's kind of like some getting used to.
Can I give Chris my phone?
Yeah.
I want to